The char data type in C holds a single character, such as A. A char data type is a single byte, meaning in the common scenario you'll see it in, a char can hold values from 0 to 255. The main concept to get down with chars is how they're both represented in memory by a number, but can also be a character. Let's write some quick code for an example. We will make a char C that equals the character capital E. If we printf our char variable with the format specifier C, then it will print out our character E. If, however, we use the D format specifier, then it will print out the value 69. So what gives? How can one variable be represented as both the number 69 and the character capital E? ASCII is the answer. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is basically a table that maps between numbers and letters and is the standard in most programming languages on how characters should be represented as numbers. If you go to this table that I will link in the description, you can see what other characters map to other numbers. For example, the @ sign maps to the number 64. This has been Decubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.